So the first step in this procedure is to jack the car up. I put a jack stand here on this corner. The second step is to remove the lug nuts with a 21mm socket. Okay, so we're actually looking at the left rear side now. I've switched sides. So now that the wheel's off, I'm going to zoom in here. So this right here is the stabilizer link, and you can see where the bottom one attaches. So it's right there. So you're going to need a 14mm socket on this end where the nut is, and if it spins on you as you try to loosen it, you can use a 14mm wrench in here. There are two flats, and that's how you can hold it as you loosen the nut here. So if you're trying to make things a little bit easier for yourself, you might find it's a bit difficult to remove. So the easiest thing to do would be to pry down on the sway bar off of the spring, and it'll relieve some of the tension, and then you can easily remove it. So now I can take the upper nut out. Now the whole thing can easily come out. There we go. Here's the new sway bar link, and here's the flats that I was talking about. So this is where the 14mm wrench fits in. So if it ever slips on you as you're loosening or tightening, you can hold it there and rotate the nut on here without it slipping. Alright, so now that we've got the new stabilizer or sway bar links in here, we can tighten these nuts to 40 foot-pounds or 55 Newton meters. And then we can put the wheels back on. Now that we're done, we can tighten the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds or 110 Newton meters. And that's it. Thanks for watching.